I just want to get right in.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, and happy Easter to you if you celebrate that kind of thing. This is Easter when I posted this video, and we have some Easter-related unboxings for you that fit my genre. I don't know if they're gaming or pop culture or both. We'll find out. So these were actually in a GameStop ad that's right here. That was an email. I saw it, but then deleted the email because I didn't register it. A day or two later, Andre, Black Nerd Comedy, told me about it. He's like, hey, you know they got these mystery boxes at GameStop, and I'm like, really? These are made by Funko. $30 value for $9.99. I just want to get right in. Okay, that was fast. Okay, you know what? Let's take the pop out first, right? Because there is one pop in here, and there's some mystery stuff in there. Oh, okay. I never played Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's sister location, Funtime Foxy. So my question immediately is like, okay, so is this worth $10, and then all the other stuff in here they're claiming is worth $20? I actually thought it was gonna fly everywhere. This is a nice pop, actually. More appear into his eyes or her eyes, whatever, is scary. That is downright terrifying. All right, so let's take the next thing out. This is also Five Nights at Freddy's. This is a is this a watch band or something? Well, Lamarr, why don't you just take it out? Okay. Shut up. You talk to me like that. I'm a grown man. I was alive before you were even thought of. You talking to me like that? Let's, what is it? Okay. I'm just trying to, I want to enjoy my Easter. All right. What is you? Oh, so it's a neck thing. So if you go like E3 or something like that. Oh, okay. Yeah. So like the ID badge, Five Nights at Freddy's. And it says it right on here. I'm thinking this whole thing is Five Nights at Freddy's. Has Foxy on that other side. And a little thingy right here. Okay, now I will say these mystery things do be like $6, $7. I'm not saying they're worth it. They do be like $6, $7. This is called Pint Size Heroes. I actually never heard of Pint Size Heroes. That's interesting. This is also a sister location. And let's go ahead and just open that up. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, so I mean, I've seen these before. Then we have a pen or pencil. Is this a, yeah, this is a pen. Five Nights at Freddy's pen, as you can see there, with the little mascot thingy there. I don't know. I don't play this game. I don't know the name. So this is a mystery mini plushie. It's nice and soft. It's like, that's cute. Okay, so that is, it has a little thing you put in your backpack if you're a kid, or I mean, I have a backpack too. What am I talking about? If you're an adult that has a backpack, you can put on there too. I would say if you were going by retail, and again, I could be wrong with how much this is worth. This might be $5. And how much a keychain is worth. Very possibly, if they bump these up in prices by another couple dollars, we have $30 of value here. So, manufactured, you know, the suggested retail price. So, okay, I'll give them that for this one. The next one is the purple box, and so that one was all Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay, this might be Disney. This might be Disney. It is Disney. Ooh. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so this is Kingdom Hearts 3. Wow. But I have never seen this pop before. Donald and the Monsters, Inc. This is... Okay, probably one of the most unique pops I have seen. Not only can you see in the front, in the hat, and then he has these little wings in the back. Come on, focus. Focus! Okay, there you go. This is one of the more colorful, unique pops I have seen. I like this. This is one of those pocket keychain things. It might be around $5. And this is Webby. I can't get it off. Don't get a little closer. That is so cool. Webby, Webby. Okay, so we also have a pencil here. Looks like they try to match it up pretty well. I'm guessing that's Sora up there. Yeah, it looks like this is maybe Kingdom Hearts themed as well. This is another Pint Size Heroes. Yes, this is a Disney branded one. So Yeah, they got a bunch of them. Let's see if I get Dumbo. Who is you? Because I don't know you. Audience, in the comments, please tell me who this is. It's probably so obvious. I'm gonna feel really stupid later, but like right now, I have no idea. And if you want to see on the package, they have her right there too. And the last thing in this box is this is definitely a mystery mini. Here is the possibilities of what I can get on the back of this. Okay, so as you can see, those are the things that I could get. Here's that front where I was like, ooh, look at the Rescue Rangers. Okay, hold on, I want to break it. And I got the girl with the I don't know who you are. It's just like this one. I don't know every Disney character, every you know, I can't know everything. I'm not, you know, I started late, so just tell me, is that the girl that walks with Ash and Pokemon? Boy, I'm gonna get some comments for that one. Woo! All right, guys, so I paid a total of $20 for those 2 mystery boxes. I gotta say, I mean, I got my money's worth as far as the price of the boxes, because 2 pops, I mean, they run about 10 bucks at most stores, right? You might find $7.99 here or there. So I would say this, I got my money's worth. Is this $60 worth? How about you tell me in the comments, you're smarter than I am, you're more knowledgeable than I am, and you're cooler than I am, but you're not cuter than I am. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your Easter. I'm not sure what time this comes out and what time have you enjoyed your Easter. Now you're bored and like, look, we ate and now we did our egg hunt. Now what we gonna do? But I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get off this camera so I can go eat, because I had, you know, I've been recording, you know, this cake, you know, I recorded this before. Anyway, talk to you soon.